And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Concern for the tropics. Let's talk about that real quick because the area in the Caribbean, like the northern Lesser Antilles into the island of Puerto Rico, for the next 24 to 36 hours, are going to deal with tropical storm force winds, heavy rainfall, mudslides. There's now a tropical storm warning for Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands, but the storm itself, Fiona, still has to make it through the northern portions of the Lesser Antilles before it brings copious amounts of rain for the island of Puerto Rico. 4 to 10 inches expected. That's mudslides, and that includes San Juan, the capital city. So, yeah, big-time headache in the tropics as we continue to monitor Tropical Storm Fiona. It's got to move through Antigua and Barbuda, okay? We all know where that is. Remember a couple years ago, I forget which storm it was, the eye was bigger than the actual island itself? That's the same island that's getting hit with a Tropical Storm Fiona tonight. Then it will continue to move west, and as it does, it'll eventually move into the island of Hispaniola and then move north. And then at that point, it's kind of shredded apart across the island, but it looks to regain enough strength that it could reach Cat 1 status for the first time, sometime just south and east of the Bahamas. A lot of long-term forecast models actually have the storm strengthening. You think, oh no, this is big trouble, right? The stronger it gets, it's likely going to wrap itself up and just swing way northeast and probably hit Bermuda and go out to sea. If it stays weaker, it has a chance to come up the coast. Nonetheless, expect some swells, some dangerous rip currents at the beaches, probably the end of next week and next weekend. And if the weather cooperates, some of you do try to go to the beach at the end of September. You just want to be safe. Well, keep an eye on it. Obviously, updates on our abc6.com page, always. Temperatures right now around 70 degrees. Muggy factor, we don't have that right now. Way down. It's like comfy, comfy, comfy. But it goes to, I feel it, Sunday into Monday, and then back down again for the middle part of next week. So with the rise in humidity for the weekend, it's marginal. It will start to get a little warmer and feel a little bit less fall-like it did this morning and this afternoon. So high pressure looks good, right? Let's keep it here. Let's take this front and let's just steer it up into Canada. I love Canada, but they can have the rain on the weekend, and then we can maybe get some rain early next week, and we can have the best of both worlds, right? So high pressure, doing a very good job to keep us dry Saturday morning, 9 a.m. And then we go into the afternoon. This frontal boundary is way north. So areas like Montreal getting some rain, Quebec getting some rain. But that's not us. It's north, which is good. We stay dry for Saturday. Saturday night into Sunday, this front will sag south. We call it a BDCF, or a backdoor cold front. Kind of comes at us the wrong way. It brings rain into the Portland, Maine area, down towards Boston by about 3, 4, 5 o'clock. That rain shower activity will likely clip our area Sunday evening, a brief burst of some rain before another round of rain comes in for Monday night. That's your target time for rainfall throughout the entire 7-day forecast, because once that rain Monday night moves out, I've kept Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday dry. Happy fall. Temperatures in the 70s. Nick.
Jeff, you dropped a Boston in the middle of that forecast, by the way. I know. I heard it. I picked up on it. It's week 2 of the high school football